First, unpack the package and remove the TIJ bulk ink system. Packaging removal complete. Next, install the TIJ bulk ink system. Attach the hanger clip to the TIJ bulk ink system. Hanger clip installation complete. Then, connect the ink cartridge and ink bag to merge them. Connection complete. Hang the TIJ bulk ink system on the printer's aluminum tube. Next, insert the TIJ ink cartridge into the slot. Open the TIJ bulk ink system valve and start printing.